Hey guys, we're here at Walmart. She's looking through the squishies. We were trying to find them and we found some. I think she's found these Squish Delish ones. And now we're over here. They have, I don't know what that is. What is that?
They're squishies, but they're different. They're scented.
Oh, those are kind of cool. That's the last one they have.
They have the big packs, but they're
$15.
This is $10. So.
Which one is that one? Is that a squishy too?
Mm-hmm.
It's inside there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty
They're
cool.
scented. This one's the sweets. There's $10.
I
I've seen them reviewed for one of these, and they're so cool.
Well, which one do you want to get?
I can get one of these.
Mm-hmm. Which one?
I'm gonna use the people.
Which one?
It's in the back. This
That
one's
is
really
pretty
cute.
That is pretty cool.
I really like this one, but it's a lot more money, and it probably comes with the exact same thing.
Probably.
But just like,
They just want you to spend more money. That's how they get you.
or should I get this one? I don't know.
I like that one.
This one?
Yeah, that one right there is kind of cool.
Where is it? This is our cart.
Our cart's right there. We kind of lost our cart.
And we also
It was
gonna-
right behind her.
We're going to get this for my aunt. She has one of those dogs, but it's more boxy, and it's really soft.
Yeah, because she had a birthday party.
Mommy.
A birthday, so.
This is the one I want.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Descendants 2.
I have
pretty
this
cool.
Uma, and I also have this set.
Look, it's flying off the shelves.
And all they have is these Umas in that set, but I have those.
Gotcha.
This is the only one I don't have.
Is the one
Also,
you
I
don't
have the Mao. I don't have the Mao in the dress, which I really want. I also have this one. Sorry, I have this one too.
Yeah, you do.
That was probably the Mao in the dress, the one that I need. And
Yeah,
that
the one that's empty.
And then, and then I will have everything.
Gotcha. Alright, now where are we going? What did you want to look for now? Uh-oh, she found something. Did you hear that? Oh, good gracious. She found this whole set of Descendants.
The only
Descendants
one
2.
I have is this one. I don't have this J.
Wow.
Mhm.
That'd be an awesome Christmas
Wait, no,
present.
that's Carlos, not J. I always get these two people mixed up. That's
gotcha.
J and that's Carlos.
Gotcha. And they have these
I
here.
also have this doll.
Which doll? That one? Yes, you do. We like Descendants 2 as well. Can you tell?
I want this doll. That's the doll I want.
That's the doll
Riley
you want?
has that doll.
Gotcha.
I was gonna pull the other card.
Let's get the right cart. Which way do you want to go? Do you want to go that way?
Can we look at the toys? Or I'm not the toys. I already know we're looking at the toys.
We're at the toys, you goober.
But can we look at the kids?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go! As she's running down with the cart that doesn't want to go the way that she wants it to. Once again, we're going to ask you guys to please click the like button and subscribe. We're new at this, so we're going to be doing a whole lot more videos, hopefully getting better at it.
Oh, Mommy.
What is that? Woo!
Look how cute.
That is very cute. That's one of
the
those
Kirby.
Barbie fashionista Kirby's. I like those kind of Barbies because not everybody's the same shape and size. I like that.
Also, they have like petite ones, and then they have tall ones, and they have the curvy.
I like
We have
those.
the Barbie Dream House, but I can't fit that nowhere. And
No, you
guys,
have a whole bunch of stuff. Look what we have.
People untie these, and they're supposed to look like this. But they
Those
untied
little-
it and completely untied.
I guess those are like little pillows, not pillows. I don't know.
Yeah, that's something where they're not tied.
They're not pillows.
I know.
Alright, well take me along in your adventure here. Where are we going? And now she's taking off running again. I guess she's beating the chair up. I don't know.
Down here.
Oh, those are cute. Look at these.
Relax.
Look at these.
Those are satisfying.
Okay, the movie.
I have
Those
a
are
lunch
so
box.
cool.
So in my class, Carla has a book bag that's like that, and I have a lunch box that has a K on
Yes,
it.
you do. Okay, for you.
But you are supposed to be wise.
I know. All right, where are we going? Kids clothes? And she's off again. Cart derby. I think she likes to make me dizzy. She always goes in circles when we're at the store.
I'm a unicorn. Nice try.
That is cute. I like it because the little juice box has the...
Unicorn.
Get it? Uh-huh.
This one's cute. Polo.
Somebody's playing Marco Polo here in the store. It's kind of funny. That's what we usually do when we lose one another, is play Marco Polo.
Do we answer eventually?
Yeah, eventually we answer. What? What's
Look at all the ballerina stuff.
Look at ballerina stuff.
Oh, they're so cute. I like these. Oh, look at that.
Those are cute.
There's all underwear. Oh, look how cute these are.
Those are cute little
This barely will fit my big toe in it.
baby little socks.
They'll barely fit my big toe. These are cute.
Somehow we've
So-
winded up in the underwear department.
Mhm.
I'm not for sure about this, but that's okay.
Ooh, there's raccoons.
Raccoons, which reminds me, we had a raccoon at our house.
It was like walking
Today.
in a little circles. It was like walking like this forward. It was really weird.
So the dog, the animal control had to come and take it. It was kind of weird. I don't know.
It was kind of, it was like, it wasn't kind of weird. It was really weird.
It was really weird.
Believe in unicorns.
Alright guys, we're going to finish up shopping and then we'll do like an overhaul of what all the stuff we got. Thank
In the
you
next video.
for watching. Like I said, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel.
I'm gonna fall backwards.
Thank you guys. Bye.